How to use Qwarta Home Credit in Shopee. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do that. First thing first, head over to your Shopee app and make sure to log into your account. Now head over to the Me section right there, and then from there you are going to have to tap on the cash in option. Once you tap on it, you can choose the way to cash in. So from there you can select your payment center or e-wallet. Go ahead and select that and confirm it. Then enter the amount that you want to pay from credits. So once you've selected your amount, tap on Pay Now, and you're going to have to go to your Home Credit app. From there, tap on Pay Bills. And once you tap on Pay Bills, you can see you'll get a unique PIN and ID when you pay from the Shopee app. So you're just going to have to enter your billing details here. And then once you've done that, you should be able to pay your Qwarta Home Credit in Shopee. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.